Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you some common phrases to be used at the airport. So let's get started. Airport, airport. Plane, plane or airplane. Passport, passport. Boarding pass, boarding pass, boarding pass. Luggage, luggage. Carry on bag, carry on bag. Flight attendant, flight attendant. I'm going to cover the conversation in 3 places. They are check-in desk, check-in desk, security check, security check, and boarding a plane, boarding a plane.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Where are you flying to?
New York. I'm going to New York.
May I have your passport, please?
Here you go.
Are you checking any luggage?
Yes, these 2 bags.
Please place your luggage on the scale. Would you like a window or an aisle seat?
I would like a window seat.
Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you.
Have a nice flight.
إذن أول سؤال كان Where are you flying to؟ لوين حتسافرين؟ بعدين Your passports please. فهي لما أعطته الجوازات she said Here you go. Here you go بمعنى So the first question was to say Here you go. بعدين سألها Are you checking any bags؟ يعني هل في شنط رايحة للشحن؟ And please place your bag on the scale. This is the scale. وآخر سؤال كان Would you like a window or an aisle seat? A window or an aisle seat.
Please lay your bag flat on the conveyor belt and use the bin for small objects.
Do I have to take off my shoes?
Yes, please.
Do I have to empty my pockets?
Yes. And please take any electronic devices out of your bag. Please step through the scanner.
Okay. Please lay your bags flat on the conveyor belt. This is the conveyor belt. Conveyor belt. And use the bins for small objects. Small objects. Do I have to empty my pocket? Empty my pocket. Please take any electronic devices out of your bag. Out of your bag. Step through the scanner. Step through the scanner. Excuse me, could you help me put this bag in the overhead compartment?
Good afternoon. What would you like to eat? Do you want chicken or meat?
I'll have chicken.
Perfect. Do you want rice or pasta?
I'll have rice.
Anything to drink?
Yes. Do you have Coke? Can I have some water, please?
Sure. Anything else?
Yes. Pillow and blanket. Can you help me put this bag in the overhead compartment? Overhead compartment. Overhead compartment. I have chicken, meat, rice, pasta. And I have a pillow, blanket, some water, some tea, some coffee, some extra napkins.